In the previous videos, we've established how you can ensure that your text content is being read out appropriately by screen readers. Using the live text tool in Ceros and ensuring you've established a hierarchy will make sure that you don't have any issues when a screen reader reads out your text. It's important to remember that Ceros is a highly visual platform, and you'll want to take steps to ensure that your visual elements are being read out by screen readers as well. To start, let's talk about alt tags. Alt tags are short descriptions that can be added to each image in an experience. These tags will be read out by a screen reader to translate the image verbally to the user, so you'll want to ensure that your alt tags are descriptive but concise. We also have the ability to add area labels to visual elements. Similar to alt tags, area labels are also short descriptions to be read out by screen readers, but these can be applied to a much broader spectrum of assets rather than just images. These can include hotspots, buttons, clickable navigation, charts, graphs, and more. Similar to alt tags, you'll want to make these descriptive but concise so the user knows what the element is and what might happen if they potentially interact with it. When applying area labels, there may come a time where certain text components on the page become redundant. You can tell Ceros to hide that text from screen readers. This option is available at the bottom of our typography section. Simply check this box to prevent any repetitive text from being read out loud. In the next video, we'll walk through how to ensure you're streamlining your content for any users who may be navigating the experience using keyboard keys rather than a mouse or trackpad.